Since today is America's Day, I'm gonna do some American shit and work on my Ford F100. Right now, I'm just getting it cleaned out. I'm gonna start tearing some of these mats out. This is just disgusting, so it's all gotta go. Looks like there are multiple layers of these things in here, and they're all coming out. Let's see how bad the rust really is. I don't know what the fuck that is. Nice clean engine bay, but this seat definitely has to come out, and the new one will be going in. I've never opened this. Whew, all right, let's see what we got. All right, not quite sure what that is. We got some old matches and a piece of paper. Oh, we have a registration. So I found the original registration card here, and it is a 1963 Ford F100. So it does confirm it. Happy 4th of July.